So I'm going to take this topairy and I'm going to glue them back in there. They're just ones that fell off during the year and I just glued them in there. But I'm going to paint this base red. I'm going to put some burlap, some bling-a-bling, and just give it a Christmas look. Hang a couple ornaments here, a couple bows, something. Jazz it up. Maybe put a couple little pops of red and green in there. And let's see what we come up with. Right now. So I just want to show you how cute these are. You get about 20 of these at the Dollar Tree for $1. It's just, I mean, they just give you the cutest stuff. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm making the topiary, and I want it to be mostly black and white. I'm going with the plaid look this year, but these will be black and white to kind of go with that look. And I'm going to go out front and I'm going to spray paint these white, and then I'm going to hand paint some swirls on them, then give them a whimsical look along with the plaid. So let's see how that turns out. Okay, so I was just doing this for 20 minutes and it wasn't recording. So I'll take some of this off, okay? So you know what's going on. I'm going to take that off. That's got a good hold. So there's not much styrofoam under this topiary, so I'm having a little bit of difficulty. I didn't say any bad words though, so that's good. Okay. So I'm just trying to get this in here. There we go. And this garland is from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. I just cut it up. Trying to hold the shape of the topiary bush. And I don't want to destroy it because I want it, in the spring, I want it to be my topiary bush again. So, all right, that's the top part. I'm going to put in there, and then I'm going to put a little bird there to hold that down. I don't want to do much glue. I'll put a piece over there. So that is going to get pushed down by the bird. Okay, and I need one more piece. Uh-oh. You're in trouble. Okay, I do have backup. That's okay. This is going to come up here. Oh, it's actually covering two pieces. Yeah, there you go. There you go, baby. There you go. Okay. Just you know, there can be some open spots because we're going to put balls in there. We said all this. I'm not sure, you know. I don't want to be annoying and repeat it, but I don't want to. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I'm going to leave that like that because I am going to put a bird up there, and that's going to hold that down. Or I might do the star. So for right now, I'm going to cut because I am painting Christmas balls out front white because I want to generally do this whole thing white and black, except for the red base. I did want something to pop out. And so we'll stop for a moment. Okay. On the bottom, it's not going to be as flat, but I'll cut slits in it. And he moved everything. Bada bing, bada bing. Now, there we go. That wasn't on there all the way. Yeah, so that's why I want to get another glue gun. This thing gets so darn hot. See that smoke coming off it? I don't think that's normal. I need fingers. Woo, woo, woo. I got burned. I got a couple burns on my hand. It ain't fun. So, don't lengthen it. See how it's like that? I have to put a slit That's a good thing. Nobody sees that thing. Every day it's a getting closer. Like a roller. Commercial album. As I was singing all the time. Alright. Let that dry for a second. You know what? I'm going to use this. Oh, pencil. There you go. As the pencil goes up in flames. When you come in, bring my balls in. I just want a little bit of snow on the top and the bottom. And there's no slow on this. You push this a little bit and it comes gushing out. Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Now we get to get all that crap off. There you go. There you go. All right. That is it. Now, like I said, I love Christmas. I love Christmas music. I love Christmas. Late in my life, God blessed me with 2 children. Jim and I can enjoy Christmas even more. There's nothing like Christmas and having children. They just make it all great, just great. Love them to death, certainly do. Lumpy and bumpy. Little piece back there. That's what the word is. Zhuzh it up. Just felt like I tried to put ribbon, it didn't look right. So I just want to. Okay, actually, I'll let that go. It'll be fine. That's basically it. I'm going to put a couple more in the back, and that's it. I put a couple of these snowballs on there. I thought that was cute.
Looks very nice.